At the heart of what was a historic season for Paris Saint-Germain, 2025 best men's player, Ousmane Dembélé.
Je vis ma meilleure vie.
Congratulations.
The league's top scorer, a leader on and off the pitch, and as always, the central figure of the season, Cristiano Ronaldo.
I want to win more trophies and I want to reach the number that you all know, and I will reach that number for sure, if no injuries, inshallah. And it's great, so thank you very much.
A player who shapes matches through his breathless skill and decision-making at the highest level. His third award of the night, Lamine Yamal.